Hi, guys. You look busy today. Whoa, what is that? Oh no, it appears to have crashed. You'd better go see if you can help. Wow, what a mess it made. Can you guys help fix it? Whoa, it can still fly. What's that, Ed? You have a plan? You want to put it back together and then play ball with it? Okay, let's get started. Great teamwork, guys. Uh-oh, Ed. You and Billy, be careful. Hey, are you guys helping Charlie gather pieces, or are you just playing? These pieces must go on the flying saucer. Let's pick them up. Now let's place them where they go. First, we need an oval. Now a hexagon. A triangle. And that looks like a circle. But wait, it's not the same circle. This one is better. Next up is a diamond. And the last shape is a square. Uh-oh. The circle is still missing. Can you find it? That is a lot of shapes, but no circle. That's better. Billy and Charlie have found several circles, but which one is right? The red one? No. How about the yellow one? No. It must be the blue circle. Perfect. Wow, it's flying again. Amazing. Look, guys, it wants to play with us. Have fun, guys. See you next time. That is an interesting device you're building. What is it? It's going to be a foam cannon? That looks a lot like a regular slide, but I have a feeling this might be something different. We're going to need more pieces to finish it. Good job, Billy. Going back for more? Come on, Ed, you can do it. Pull harder. Uh-oh, now Billy is trapped. Great work, guys. Almost finished. Whoa, Ed, that looked like fun. What is that? Wow, it made that box grow huge. And now it's back to normal. Watch out, Billy. Put him back like he was, Ed. Oh no, now he's giant. Run, Ed. Watch out, Charlie. Okay, guys, it's time to stop playing around now. We have work to do. Ed, put them back to normal. Oh, I get it now. You built everything small, and now you're making it big. Whoa, Charlie! You might want to let go now, Charlie. Ready to try it out? Charlie, you go first. Wow, you're inside a big bubble now, and you're floating. Who's next? This is amazing. Here we go, floating up and around through the slide. Wow! Get ready! Woohoo! Splash time! That was fun! See you next time! Hi, friends! Ready for another great day at the amusement park? Great! But before we play, we have work to do. Today, we will build a giant gumball machine. So first, we have to find all the pieces. Do you see something, Ed the Excavator? Billy the Bulldozer can give you a boost. Looks like a big red stopper. Let's put it over by the tires. There must be more pieces around here somewhere. Keep looking. Hey, Charlie, what's that on the merry-go-round? It's the body of the truck that makes the gumballs. Let's go start putting it all together. Way to go, Charlie. Great job holding the truck body while Ed puts the wheels on. Billy, are you going for a ride on the Ferris wheel again? Oh, there's a piece of the gumball machine on the Ferris wheel. Ed has found something big and round like a ball. Bring it to the truck and let's see if it fits. Perfect. And Billy found the bumper. Now we need to fill it with candy. Billy, you think we should fill it with balls from the ball pit? No. Ed, do you have a better idea? Wow, you found containers full of gumballs. A green one, a red one, and a blue one. Let's take them to the gumball machine and fill it up. Charlie can lift the small containers and pour them into the big container. Blue, red, and green. Now the lid goes on and we're all finished. Candy, anyone? Great job, guys. It's time to have some fun at the amusement park. See you next time, friends.